The harvest festival in a quaint village, nestled between rolling hills. The annual harvest festival was a time of joy and celebration. Families gathered to share food, music, and laughter, but one tradition remained shrouded in mystery: the night of the offering. Each year, the villagers placed a basket of their best crops at the edge of the forest as a tribute to the spirits of the land. This year, a young boy named Oliver, curious and adventurous, decided to uncover the truth behind the offering. As twilight descended, he slipped away from the festivities, determined to see what happened to the basket. As he approached the forest, a cool breeze rustled the leaves, and the moonlight cast eerie shadows on the ground. He placed his basket carefully at the designated spot and hid behind a tree, waiting. Minutes turned into hours, and just when he began to lose hope, a soft glow emerged from the trees. To his astonishment, ethereal figures began to materialize, spirits clad in shimmering robes, gliding gracefully towards the offering. Oliver watched wide-eyed as they circled the basket, their whispers weaving through the night. Gratitude, respect, and balance, they chanted in haunting harmony. The ground shimmered with an otherworldly light, and a strange energy filled the air. But as he listened closely, Oliver felt a chill. The spirits spoke of a price, a debt owed to the land. If the offerings ever ceased, the balance would shift, and the forest would retaliate. Suddenly, a gust of wind whipped through the clearing, and the spirits turned their attention to Oliver. "You must leave," one whispered, its voice echoing like a distant bell. "The balance is fragile." Terrified, Oliver fled back to the village, heart pounding. The festival continued, laughter and music drowning out his thoughts, but he couldn't shake the urgency he felt. The next morning, Oliver rushed to find the village elder, a wise woman named Agnes. He recounted his experience, the spirits, and the warning. But Agnes's face fell as she listened. "The offerings are not just tradition," she said gravely. "They are a pact with the land. If the people forget, we risk losing everything." Determined to save the village, Oliver gathered the children and explained what he had witnessed. They decided to spread the word and ensure everyone understood the importance of the offering. On the night of the next harvest festival, Oliver stood at the edge of the forest, surrounded by villagers. Together, they placed their baskets, each filled with the best produce, and chanted their gratitude to the spirits. As the moon rose high in the sky, the same ethereal glow illuminated the clearing. The spirits returned, this time with smiles of approval. "You have remembered," they sang, their voices a melodious echo. "The balance is restored." The villagers rejoiced, their hearts lifted by the spirits' presence. From that night on, the tradition of the offering became more than a ritual. It became a cherished bond between the villagers and the land. Oliver learned that respect for nature and its spirits was vital for harmony. The harvest festival flourished, not just as a celebration of abundance, but as a reminder of the delicate balance that must always be maintained.